Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install SHAREit for your Windows in a very simple way. Simply come over your Google Chrome browser and then here you just need to search for SHAREit for PC. You can see here is the option, so if you click on that, then you'll get an option from the Softonic called download SHAREit. Also you can click on that and then you will get an option called free download for PC. So if you click on that, there will be an option to download Opera Mini. So I will going to turn it off and then after a short time you can see your download has started. So it will take some of you can see that your downloading is started, so it will take some of seconds for that. Keep patience. And you can see that the download is completed, and now what we will going to do, we will going to take it over here into the desktop, and here you can see if you click on it 2 times, and there will be a permission. Click yes for the shared setup, and then you will get an option called setup SHAREit option over here. So if you just simply click on accept, and then now if you want to try to change the file location, you can do it as well, but I will leave it as it is, and then after that I will just click on next. After that, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can simply select that, or if you don't want it, then you simply just unselect it. So I'm going to select create a desktop shortcut and then click next, and after that you can see the downloading is completed right now, and there will be a permission called finish, and you can see your SHAREit is open for your Windows PC. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.